Right guys, are you ready for this? State of art plumbing. Look at the state of that, right? There's been tenants living in here. That is the soil stack that's been leaking. It's got a massive crack through the middle. Stinks in here. They've left the property, obviously. The landlord, he's come back from Scotland and he's found the property like this. That's one side of things. But also when he got back here, look what the tenants have done to the boiler. Whoever's been living there, this is how he found it. So I've come here, they wanted me to come and fix this. I'm not going to touch that boiler at all. There's broken parts off here, off the PCB board, raw PCB, and look at that. There's 2 bits missing there, that's all wobbling. Literally tampered with the whole thing and they've left the property like this. So I'm going to have to quote it for a new boiler. There's no way I'm going to touch that.